Look at the two rivals over here. Dun, dun, dun. Bernie and Meowsy, the two alpha males over here. Thinking they're... Oh, there's Early. I'm worried about Mama Kitty. She's over there laying. She had to get a shot that she had to get like her feline leukemia shot today. And I'm hoping she's just tired. But she's been laying over there all day and she's mad at me. What are you doing, Early? And I hope she feels better tomorrow morning. Or I will be concerned. I'm already concerned, and we just got back a couple hours ago. Now, what are you doing over here? Early, big Earl over here. What are you doing? Look at that big husky. You're bigger than your older brother. Meowser said he's not bigger than me, though. Big fathead Meowsies. Meowsy said, I got a melon head. Meowsy said, I got a little melon head. Meowser's awesome. Oh, guys. So it's starting to cool off, too. So that's good. We had a hot summer. Very hot summer. Hey, Meowsies. So you guys are looking forward to fall. They say we're not looking forward to winter, but we can take fall. That weather I can handle. Hey, Meowsies. Oh, yeah. Now, guys, I got you guys some more catnip today. Meowsies said, I was at catnip. I need my fix. Well, that's cool. I just wish Mama Kitty was feeling better. Like I said, I don't know, that shot... Well, first off, she was pretty stressed out because I had to take her in the car. And she meowed all the way there, and the vet said she did good. But, you know, it's just stressful for an outside cat to go through that. And then, you know, she got a shot in like her backside, so that's probably sore. So hopefully she's okay. Bernie's next. Bernie, you're next, buddy. And it's funny, when I bust out that cat carrier, all of them start running. There. I like how Early has the little white paw, little pad of his paw. Yeah, I like the pink. Bernie, what are you doing? Don't be messing with Meowsins. Oh, Mama Kitty didn't move. She's still up there. You know, pretty boy Bernie. Yeah, so they've been doing good. Yesterday was when Bernie started swinging. At my prior video, Bernie started swinging on Meowsies. But for the most part, they just ignore each other, so they're good. Oh, guys. You guys behave yourself. Okay, I'll see you guys later.